Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can edit your video. So if you didn't watch my last video, you should go watch it and create a video so we can edit it. And yeah, so today I'm going to use a online editor called clipchamp, and I like it because it's online and it's pretty good. So now we want to click sign up. Our screen might be different because I already signed up already, but you get to a page and you want to click sign up with Google account, and then you want to go here, and then you want to click start new project, give your project a title, and I'll just do it YouTube test, and then you want this to be the widescreen. Create project, and this is gonna be the video I'm gonna be editing. So I'm gonna drag your video in here, and you don't need this anymore, so exit out, and then wait for it to load. And yeah, so you can slice your videos by clicking the scissors icon. Click it and it's sliced. And then you might want this part to be fast or something. You can speed it up times 8. You can change the color. I'll change it to green. You can like get rid of the audio over here. Put some filters on it, increased. And yeah, then you could drag this. You can also add pictures, images, and audio. And if you want, you can add a title. Click in title. There's animated ones, and I'm just gonna go with this one. Drag it in. Yep. And then you want to click on this. Change your title to whatever you want. There's your font and the color. And the color separator, and yeah, this is how you edit video. And you can preview. Guys, this is the video. Here is the video that we're gonna upload. You can preview your video and then export the video to download it. My mom and my grandma's making tea. Do you guys want tea? Okay, so after you export it, you go to this page, and you wanna change this to high if you can, but I can't since I haven't unlocked it. So keep it to this, and then click export video, and then you have to wait for it to load. Okay, so it just finished loading, and now I want to click save my video, and it's gonna download that edited video. And then you want to go back here, and then I'll teach you how to upload the video again. Click create a video or post. Click this plus sign, upload a video. Or you can just go here, youtube.com/upload. And then you want to drag this video into this box. And then you want to click publish. And then you just need it to load. And yeah, and that's how you upload your video. So yeah, that's how you edit your video. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please share this video and comment below what I should do next, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.